It's September the 1st, and as usual on September the 1st, it's hot. But if you're an outdoors person here in the state of Kentucky, you know exactly what that means. September the 1st, always the opening day of dove season here in the state of Kentucky. And I am lucky enough to be invited to an old friend of mine, family farm out here in the Mount Washington, Spencer County area. And we've got a good old-fashioned dove shoot going on. He's got quite a bit of habitat planted out here, a lot of sunflowers, and he's been seeing quite a few birds, sitting down and waiting for them to come. They ought to be any minute now. It's time to get loaded up. And for me, this is kind of the official kickoff to the hunting season. I know that the squirrel season has been in, I haven't been out yet, but when September the 1st comes in, dove season opens up, it rolls right into all the other hunting seasons, and I can't wait to, one, shoot some doves, and then secondly, be in that deer stand next weekend. They're starting to fly more and more. I've already seen 3 now. We are still in the process of getting all of our hunters out in the field, so we're letting birds fly right over top of us, letting them get used to us being sitting here, and we're not shooting yet. I think they got 1 or 2 more trips on the UTV to get everybody out. Then the game plan's gonna change dramatically. Well, it looks like our last hunters have now gotten to their hay bales, so we got a thumbs up, so there's no more free passes. Next bird that comes through in range, it's time to start shooting. Right here. That was a good shot. Man, they're turning. There's 5 or 6 in that group though. Here comes one. Get ready. Well, first dove of the year. They're starting to fly a little bit better. We've been seeing them skirting, and now they're kind of crossing the field, so hopefully it's about to get real good. There we go. I tell you what, if you've never dove hunted, it's a lot of shooting, it's a lot of fun, a lot of friendship, and they're also fantastic on the grill. So the limit here is 15, so we got a lot of room to make up. And it's number 1. Oh look, I got one on the fence right there. Came in and took my seat while I was retrieving my bird. A bird literally flew in and landed right here. As I was walking back up, when the bird come off the wire, it went lower. Because this hillside is rolling, even though a bird looks like it's the appropriate height off the ground, you gotta be very cautious in the direction you're shooting. That shot would have been right toward that couple setting down there. I've got perfect avenues to shoot this way or this way. There's no reason for me to ever need to take a shot dead left or right unless it's straight above me. Wow, that was a ton of birds. They're starting to really come up and fly right now. Got that one. All right. That was a fun bird right there because I got a little shook up because I watched it fly toward me so long and trying to decide when to take the shot. Put it down though, let's go pick it up. Oh man, I have birds just fly right over me. Had my decoy out. Brought them right in. Starting to fly a lot faster now. A lot more birds. Got him. All right, got them down in the front and the back. Nice job. Coming to you. Pretty birds, tasty birds too. I'll tell you what, if you've never had doves, my favorite way is to grill them. But there's a lot of different ways that you can eat dove. And really, most of the things you can do with chicken, you just don't want to overcook them. But if you ever had them, they're kind of a darker red meat and wrapped in bacon and grilled. Probably my favorite way. They are absolutely delicious. Right into the sun. Oh, look good. She just picked that one up. Thank you, man. I appreciate you. I got you. Thank you. There you go. There's another one. You got them left or right? All right. Getting close. I think I need 1 or 2 more birds. Having a limit. I'll tell you what, last year we went out and come here. Come here, Andy. Come here, Andy. Come here, Andy. Got one left. How many you got so far today?
I got 6.
A lot of times I get asked by new hunters, hey, I'm interested in buying my first gun. What should I consider for hunting? And, you know, a lot of people will give you all the different calibers of rifles, but probably a 20 gauge shotgun. You can do all your small game hunting. I rabbit hunt, dove hunt, squirrel hunt. Too close, too low. I've killed turkeys with this. You can shoot slugs through it. A 20 gauge shotgun is probably about as versatile as any gun you can use for hunting, because you can hunt everything from deer to doves. And it's a perfect gun to get introduced into hunting. Rabbit hunting, squirrel hunting, duck hunting, dove hunting, deer hunting, turkey hunting. Pretty much covers the gamut here in Kentucky. Let's grab that bird. That's number 15. Well, I'll tell you what, if you get a chance to go to a dove hunt, you've never done it, take full advantage. It's a lot of fun. It's great eating. Got 5, 10, 15 doves. That's the limit. Make sure we pick up all our shell casings, round up our mess, and we're gonna go talk to some of these other people and see what type of luck they're having. You guys been doing some good shooting.
Thank you, thank you.
I appreciate that work with that dog there. Now,
Yeah, thank you.
Now you actually came up from Arkansas, you and your
Right.
boys.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
So what brought you to Kentucky to dove hunt?
Well, Jack Porter, the guy we're hunting on, he's a acquaintance, a friend of mine.
Okay.
And he invited us up. We've been coming, this is our 3rd year. It's my youngest son, Wesley,
Hey, Wesley.
and my oldest son, Bradley.
Well, glad to have you guys in Kentucky. I hope you've had fun. And your dog, come here.
Indy.
Come here, Indy.
Indy, here. She must
So-
be camera shy.
Does she duck hunt as well?
She does.
So she retrieves ducks. So that's great, because a couple of those times, man, she was out, the birds would hit the ground and still be on the go. She was picking them right up.
Yes, sir.
Well, I'm glad to have you guys here in Kentucky. I hope you have a good time, and we'll be calling you when the season opens in Arkansas.
That'd be great. That'd be great. Thanks for having us.
Thank you. Well, I can't think of a better way to spend September the 1st. You know, we had some new hunters out here today, saw some good dog work. We got our limit. It's time to go put them on the grill. man, there are hundreds of farms just like yours today where they're sitting around enjoying this friendship and dove season opener.
Absolutely, absolutely.
But for you, it didn't start today.
It did not start today. It started probably late April. You got to get your plant, your seeds in, your fertilize, and then you got to fence them, because if you don't fence them, the deer will get them all.
Yeah.
So it's a labor of love.
Well, I know you told me it's been 30-something years that you've been putting in this dove field and having this group of people. You know what? Friends, family, wives, kids, first-time dove hunters. This is a family event, isn't it?
Absolutely. We've actually had 2 or 3 young people that killed their first dove today, which is exciting.
Well, I'll tell you what, it's a lot of fun. I can't think of a better way to start off and kick off the fall hunting season. And we are exactly downwind of those dove breasts that are cooking on that grill. I say let's go get a plate. What do you think?
Sounds good. I appreciate you coming out.
Thank you.